We're going to work on the forward roll from standing. So we're taking the same forward roll, we're just adding a little bit of height, which is going to add a little bit of speed, a little bit of momentum, a little more kinetic energy. So we need to be really comfortable and really good at that basic forward roll. And when we are, we can start to make it a lot more functional by being able to enter from standing. So normally on the floor, we need one knee on the floor so that I can get my same side shoulders to the floor. That allows us to reach this arm out, the same side arm, so that I have this stability to prevent rolling out to the side. If I try to do that from standing, now I can't reach for the floor. So what we're going to do, now we have to reach for the floor early so we can start softening that landing. Now critically, we're going to place both hands not parallel, but we're going to rotate the hand of the arm we're going to roll over, we're going to rotate that in and place it a little closer towards us. We're going to do that here. Boom. And the first progression, you can start standing, and you go sort of through almost a push-up position. I soften this shoulder to the floor. This leg is still reaching out for the sky. Flip the arm over. We come through. It's ipsilateral, so if my right leg is forward, I'm going to roll over the right shoulder. The left hand is my support hand. So this hand I can place on the floor to help control how this arm enters the floor. And we come through there. Now that version is going to take quite a bit of strength to enter the floor. So to really control, especially that last bit. Fight to control that, fight to use all the strength you have. And as you develop that, we're going to start to bring some speed into it. So now we can start to go. And that's our basic forward roll. So the other thing we can think again, we're always thinking about the cushions. How can we roll over the softest parts of our body so that we can do these rolls on hard surfaces, hardwood floor, concrete, tennis courts, etc. So one tip, so we can start often with the meat of this hand. That can work quite well. That's our first cushion here. Sometimes you could use the whole hand. It depends really how much you're jumping into this. From there, we're going to try to use the top of the forearm, into the upper arm, to the shoulder, and then again, rolling diagonally down all the way to the outside of the other hip. Trying to soften that as much as we can so we can do lots of these quickly and comfortably.